How to use LegalZoom Living Trust properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people assume creating a living trust with LegalZoom is straightforward, but the surprising truth is that mistakes by beginners can lead to costly legal issues or a trust that doesn't function as intended. The first mistake is selecting the wrong type of trust. LegalZoom offers revocable and irrevocable trusts, and each serves a different purpose. Beginners who choose without understanding tax implications, asset protection, or control over the trust may encounter problems down the line. Another common error is incomplete asset listing. A living trust only covers assets specifically included. Beginners who forget accounts, property, or investments risk leaving important assets outside the trust, subject to probate. Many users also overlook naming a successor trustee. The successor trustee manages the trust after the original trustee can't. Beginners who fail to designate a reliable trustee risk family disputes or mismanagement of assets. Failing to comply with state laws is another pitfall. Trust requirements vary by state, including notarization, witness signatures, and registration. Skipping these steps can invalidate the trust. Finally, some users forget to update the trust. Life events such as marriage, divorce, or new children require revisions. Beginners who neglect updates may have outdated instructions, potentially causing conflicts or unintended distributions. To use LegalZoom Living Trust properly, choose the correct trust type, include all relevant assets, name a capable successor trustee, follow state execution rules, and review the trust periodically. Avoid these mistakes, and your living trust will effectively protect and distribute your assets according to your wishes.